Hey guys, in today's video, we are going to break down one of the most important concepts in modern AI, a powerful technique known as RAG. RAG, which stands for Retrieval-Augmented Generation, is an AI framework that enhances the accuracy and reliability of large language models by connecting them to an external knowledge base before they generate a response. In simpler terms, it is a technique that guides a model like ChatGPT, instructing it to use specific, verified facts instead of just answering from its pre-trained memory. This approach addresses some of the biggest challenges we face with large language models today. Standard large language models are powerful, but they have critical limitations. LLMs have a knowledge cutoff. LLMs are static and have no information about events that occurred after their training date, leading to the outdated answers. They lack domain-specific knowledge. They haven't read our company's internal documents or the latest technical manuals, so they can't answer specific questions about them. They hallucinate. When a model doesn't know an answer, they can confidently invent incorrect facts. They are a black box. It's often impossible to know where an LLM got its information, making it difficult to verify its answers. RAG was introduced to solve these exact problems. Here, external knowledge sources refers to any information that lives outside of the LLM's original training data. It is the specific, targeted, and often private information that we choose to provide to the AI. We take our external knowledge sources, break them into smaller pieces with chunking, and use vectorization to store them in a vector database. By pointing the system to our external knowledge sources, which can be updated daily, and building our own vector database, we are giving the AI access to live current information. The LLM itself does not need to be retrained. We just update the knowledge it can retrieve. So it helps to solve the knowledge cutoff and domain specific issue. Now let's move to the real-time process in the box. It all begins with a user query. When a user asks a question, a standard LLM immediately tries to answer from its internal memory. This is the exact moment a hallucination can occur. If the model doesn't know the answer, it will often invent one with complete confidence because it has no mechanism to check facts. But in a RAG system, we don't let the LLM answer yet. Instead, we perform the most critical step, that is retrieve top K chunks. This step acts as a fact checker. It searches our knowledge base for the most relevant facts related to the user's question. It finds the evidence before forming an answer. Then it augments the prompt, essentially telling the LLM, here is the user's question and here are the exact facts you must use to answer it. The LLM is no longer guessing, it's generating an answer based on the evidence we just gave it. Finally, the augmented prompt is sent to the LLM to generate the final answer. When a standard LLM gives an answer, it's a black box. You have no idea why it said what it said or where the information came from. This creates a lack of transparency and trust. Whereas our RAG system's answer is based on specific retrieved chunks, so we can easily cite the sources. We can show the user the exact piece of information from the external knowledge sources that were used to form the answer, making the entire process transparent and trustworthy. So that was our deep dive into Retrieval-Augmented Generation and its complete workflow. We have covered what RAG is, why it's a game changer for solving the core problems of LLMs, and we have walked through the key steps of indexing and retrieval. Thank you guys for watching this video.